get this error message from Diablo 4, and the error says the lobby server is currently not available. Please double check your version with a code 397000. Now this error message prevents users from logging, and lots of people from the EU server are impacted by this problem. Now the reason you see this problem is because it's not you. The issue is just on the end. Blizzard online services sometimes experience issues which typically occur when their servers are down. If you go to the Blizzard forum, you can see just a few minutes a post has been created by a user here reporting on this problem. Even on the subreddit for Diablo 4, you can see people are reporting on this issue. So it's not just you, the issue is just on the end. It occurs when the Blizzard Entertainment servers are down. You'll need to wait until the servers are restored. While you wait, some people had success by trying these steps. You can open the Nvidia Control Panel, select 3D settings, select PhysX Configuration, change from auto to your GPU. So you can open the Nvidia Control Panel on PC. On the 3D settings, select configure surround this, and then you see this PhysX settings. Now on the processor, make sure to choose your GPU. After choosing your GPU, then you can try to relaunch the game and check if the problem has been resolved. But in most cases, if it doesn't fix your issue, then it's not you. The issue is just on the end. Blizzard online services sometimes experience issues which occur when their servers are down. That's why if you go to lots of forum, you can see lots of people have reported on this problem. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.